you excited to hold the puppy? He is so cute, Caleb.
He's away.
Oh, look at, oh my goodness. Oh, Caleb. He's so cute. Oh, he found your shoes. Hi, buddy. Hi. Pound. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
His name is Dracula. Isn't that funny? Because he's white.
Yeah, he was on.
Hi, Dracula.
Are you a little stinky?
He's cute. Oh. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, he's
His heart's too.
yeah, he looked too. Oh, he likes you. All of the puppies have liked you, Caleb. Look at his ears.
They're all floppy.
Hi. Oh, he's trying to eat me.
How?
Yeah, but they're cute.
Oh. That's Meatball?
Hi, buddy.
Are you sure that's Meatball?
Hi.
Look at the other one.
Hi there.
So cute. Oh, he's fighting him.
Oh.
No, don't you dare hurt
Oh,
Meatball.
he's cute.
Oh.
Oh, he's biting his ear.
Can you make an appointment
He's-
so I can
Hi.
take him out?
Hi there. You want to take him out?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god. Are you sure that's him?
Yeah.
That's him.
Let me hold him. Let me hold him.
Look at those big old feet.
Let me hold him. Like this?
Oh my goodness, he's a boy. He's a boy. Hi.
Let me put him down.
You can kiss him. Oh.
I want him so bad.
Oh, he's pawing you. Oh.
Dad, then if you get him, you'll have to.
Two bulldogs follow me around.
Yeah.
He is so cute.
I'll take care of him. He's so cute.
He's more feisty than he was the last time. I know.
How do I hold him?
You just go underneath his arms and pick him up like a baby.
Oh, I haven't had a baby, so
Yeah, there you go. Pick him up.
I don't
Like this, like,
this.
but two arms.
I know how to do it. He likes my cleat.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, you got it.
Oh, I feel like
You got it.
See if he's like Lola.
Let me see the belly.
I think he's like Lola, Dad.
I know he's like a grayish tint.
You're so.
Give me tea. Oh,
Want down? He wants down.
he wants down. Okay. Yeah, you would. Look at his tail.
Oh, he likes my cleat. He likes my cleat.
Oh, he's get down.
Cutest dog in the whole world.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Belly.
Oh, he's pawing you.
Don't you like him?
Of course. Everybody likes
Everybody
puppies.
Oh, she pawed you. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Oh, you're cute. You're feisty. Yeah. Look at his little tail. You want to play with her? On the ground? Oh, she likes Caleb. Here, Caleb. Can you get it? Is she biting you?
Yeah.
Is she getting you? Oh, she's giving you kisses. Look, can you smell her puppy breath? She's getting, watch out, she'll bite your ear. Oh, she likes you. You like her?
I can't get her.
Oh, she says, I love, oh.
That white one.
Which one? Hi, buddy. Is that a girl or a boy?
Can I pick him up? Oh my, I think they all like me.
Ah! Did he pick you? Aww. You like those?
Yeah. They're friendly.
That's nice of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. He's cute.
Oh, I think he just.
Oh. Did you get pooped on, Caleb?
No. It smells like it.
I think they just are stinky. Oh, he's cute. Is it a girl? Hi. Hi there.
Not dig it.
No. Look at the bunnies. Now this is what I had. Hey.
These are cute.
No, they do bite.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Hi. Oh.
What's a fancy hamster?
Hi. Oh, he didn't want me to pet him.
Oh, I found
Those are hamsters.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Caleb, come here. Look. Come on this side.
Oh my gosh.
Look at.
I can see my arm.
Come over here and look at him. Do you see them all sleeping on each other? That's so funny. Hi. Come here. Oh, look, he's in the wheel, Caleb.
Actually,
No.
I thought it's brown.
These are hamsters.
Look at that one at the bottom there. Looks like
Oh, look at him, Caleb. He's just going on the wheel. He's got food in his little pouch, too.
that one's a bunny. That's cute.
Hi, buddy. Hi. He's soft. Come over here and pet his ear. Yeah.
My God.
He's cute. Like, nope. I'm hiding from y'all. You see him? He's cute.
Can I pick one of those off?
I don't think you can pick birds up, can you?
Dad.
They are noisy.
Fly away.
If I had to pick one, I'd pick... Ooh, that one's pretty right there, the white and the blue. Which one do you think's the prettiest?
I picked that one.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Baby bird dragons.
Crickets. Cricket.
It's the food.
Rat snake.
Ooh, where?
This is rat snake.
That is like